Hello everyone, this is Select College, and this video we'd like to show you how to apply online. So if you would like to apply online, the first thing you should do is you have to go to the website selectcollege.edu.it, and after you type the website, click enter, you'll have this website. So when you get this website, you can browse the menu and see whatever you have here, or you can directly go to the Apply Online button at the top. So let's start by clicking the Apply Online button. When you click the Apply Online button, the system will take you the application form. The application form first page will give you an instruction on how to apply. So there are 6 instructions on how to apply, so you have to read all the instructions thoroughly. So to tell you in short, first you have to create user account, and then you'll be asked to select mode of learning, whether it's online or regular program, and then you will take computer skill test if you are applying for online. If you are applying for regular program, you don't have to take the computer skill test. And if you pass the exam for 60% or more, the system will take you the next step, which is complete your application form. And finally, you will be required to make payment on our digital format or deposit our accounts and send us the screenshot. And finally, you'll check your email and you'll get your application approval, which is your admission letter. So let's start by clicking the next button to start our application process. So when you click next, you can get this form, and you have to complete all the fields in this section. So write your full name. For example, you write Robel Alamu, and you put your email address. Make sure your email address is working correctly, because your notification email will be delivered to this email. And put your phone number. And you have to put your password, and you have to confirm your password and click register. So after you click register, the system will take you the next step. So the next step will be required to select whether you are applying for online or regular program. Now this time we'll try to do applying for online program and click the online program. Remember, if you click online program, the system will take you the test, which is a skill test. But if you click the regular program, the system will directly take you the application form. So let's click the online program. Now, when you get this screen, you have to make sure that you click all these buttons to make sure that you have required hardware requirements, including I have a laptop and desktop computer with webcam and processor not less than Core i5, and I have reliable internet connection, and I agree to take a selfie of mine. And after you click them, take the capture, and it's going to take a photo. Now the next step is this basic computer skill test. So read the instruction thoroughly, and whenever you are ready, click start to take the test. Now let's start the test. So read all the questions and select the answer. When you finish, you click next. Now you get your score. So this time I have got 100 out of 100, therefore I can start registration. If you score any less than 60%, the system will give you to take the test again. So let's start the registration. Now when you click, you'll find the real application form, and you start with uploading your profile photos. So make sure you have arranged all your photographs and required documentations before you start application, and choose file. And you can find where you put your device. So I have my photograph here, upload it. So read your name, write your name. So when you select the education program, that's online, and you can select your field of specialization as a business machine or project management, and a master's program if it is. And then you have to select campus online if you are applying for online. If you are applying for regular program, you can choose either Magananya or Ayya Kena. And you will have to write the entry year. For instance, this is now 2016, you write 2016 as an entry year. So previous field of study, if you have completed computer science, you say computer science or anything which you have completed before. If you have a previous GPA, if you score like 3.4, you say 3.4. And this is a new feature. So GAT is a graduate test, and this is an entrance test for master students. So if you have already taken the test, you have to put your GAT ID. So your GAT ID could be anything. So make sure you have that. And you have to select the highest level of education. If you are applying for a master's program, you should have a bachelor's degree program as a requirement. And you have to attach your academic credentials here. So make sure you combine all your credentials, including your student copy, your degree or diploma, and also other work experiences, along with documentation regarding with your GAT results and other related documentations in PDF format. Then you choose a file and you have to apply that. And then you go to the country. The country is Ethiopia. So region maybe Addis Ababa, and you have to write the sub-city. And if you are specific warada or town, if you don't have town, you can leave it. And emergency contact, write your emergency contact and a phone number, something like that. And if you have additional physically challenged, or if you have any disability, you say yes, or if you don't have, say no. If you have say yes, you have to explain it what it is. And if you are employed, click employed. Now you have completed your application. Make sure that you have everything, and finally click submit. So when you submit, now the system will automatically send you that you have successfully submitted your application, and at this time you have to submit your payment before you complete your application. So you have to take one of the bank accounts given here, either Commercial Bank of Ethiopia or Line Bank or Awash Bank, whichever is convenient for you, or you can pay with your mobile payment system or any of your wallets. And after you get that, click a screenshot of your payment receipt by clicking here, and then you have attached it and submit the receipt. So this is the final stage which completes your application process. So when you are ready, click submit. Now the system will notify you that we have received your application form and processing. We will notify any update on your email. So make sure you check your email. So instantly you will receive an email with a confirmation and username and password for your registrar portal and your LMS portal. So after you have received that, that will be the end of your application process. Thank you so much.